Good day, everybody. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, seasons greetings, and joy to your world, wherever you're watching, whenever you're watching this video. And welcome. This is Danny, and welcome to the channel, Natural LID. And I wanted to wish you a very, very merry holiday season as we go into the Christmas season here in the U.S., whether you celebrate or not, and beyond into the new year. And as my mindfulness teacher would end the drop-in sessions I take, he says, may you be safe, may you be well, may you be happy, and may you be peaceful. So that is my wish for you today and any day. And if you haven't seen the information in the community tab regarding the mindfulness class, I recommend that you check that out. It's a wonderful gift for yourself or anyone else you love who's needing some mindfulness-based stress reduction training or information. And stay tuned to the next series of videos where I'll be talking about prosperity essential oils going into the new year. As always, it's a pleasure to serve you, and I thank you for watching and going along this journey with me. And let's continue to learn, grow, share together naturally. God bless you. I love you. Until next time. Bye-bye now. Hi, beloved, and thank you for watching. If you have chosen to subscribe to my channel, liked my video, or shared it with anyone you know may be interested, I am truly thankful for you. Until next time, bye-bye now.